Printers for Architects and Engineers, the Ultimate Review. Title: Printers for Architects and Engineers, the Ultimate Review. Introduction. In the field of architecture and engineering, the role of printers is paramount. From detailed blueprints to intricate 3D models, having a reliable printer that can handle the demands of these professions is essential. This comprehensive review delves into the best printers available for architects and engineers, taking into consideration their key features, performance, and overall value. 1. Epson Suracolor P800. The Epson Suracolor P800 is a heavyweight in the world of printing. With its 8-color pigment ink set, it produces remarkable color accuracy and clarity, making it ideal for architectural and engineering prints. The P800's advanced precision core technology ensures sharpness and precise detailing, while its 17-inch wide format accommodates large-scale drawings and posters. With its flexibility to handle various media types, including fine art paper and canvas, this printer offers unmatched versatility for professionals in the field. 2. Canon ImageProGraph Pro 2100. The Canon ImageProGraph Pro 2100 is a top choice for architects and engineers requiring large format printing. Equipped with a 12-color Lucia Pro ink set, this printer provides exceptional image quality and a wide color gamut. Its 24-inch width allows for prints of various sizes, while its advanced media handling capabilities ensure accurate feed and output. With features like built-in color calibration and an intuitive touchscreen display, the ImageProGraph Pro 2100 offers excellent productivity and convenience. 3. HP DesignJet T830. For architects and engineers who prioritize convenience and portability, the HP DesignJet T830 is a great option. This multifunction printer incorporates scanning capabilities into its compact design, streamlining workflows and saving valuable workspace. The T830's robust construction is built to withstand tough environments, making it suitable for on-site printing needs. With its wireless connectivity, users can easily print from mobile devices, enhancing convenience and efficiency while maintaining professional print quality. 4. Epson Suracolor SCT5270. The Epson Suracolor SCT5270 stands as a powerful workhorse for architects and engineers. With its precision core printhead technology, it delivers precise and consistent prints, even on large-scale projects. The SCT5270's high-capacity ink cartridges and fast print speeds ensure efficiency and minimize downtime. Additionally, its integrated color cutter produces accurate and clean cuts, enhancing the overall professionalism of printed materials. This printer is designed for high-performance environments, where reliability and durability are crucial. 5. Brother MFC J6930DW. The Brother MFC J6930DW offers a combination of printing, scanning, and copying functionalities suitable for small architectural and engineering offices. Its wide format capability, supporting up to 11 by 17-inch prints, is ideal for producing plans and technical drawings. With wireless connectivity, duplex printing, and a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, this printer delivers both convenience and productivity. The MFC J6930DW's cost-effective ink system and affordable price make it an attractive option for professionals on a budget. When it comes to printers for architects and engineers, there are various options available that offer different features and advantages. In this review, we have explored 5 top printers in the market that cater to the specific needs of these professionals. The Epson Suracolor P800 is a standout printer known for its remarkable color accuracy and clarity. With its 8-color pigment ink set, It ensures precise detailing and sharpness in architectural and engineering prints. Its wide format of 17 inches accommodates large-scale drawings and posters, and its flexibility to handle various media types adds versatility to its repertoire. If large format printing is a priority, the Canon ImagePro Graph Pro 2100 is an excellent choice. With a 12-color Lucia Pro ink set, this printer offers exceptional image quality and a wide color gamut. Its 24-inch width allows for prints of varying sizes, and its advanced media handling capabilities deliver accurate feed and output. Built-in color calibration and an intuitive touchscreen display further enhance the overall user experience. For architects and engineers who value convenience and portability, the HP DesignJet T830 is a notable option. This multifunction printer integrates scanning capabilities into its compact design, streamlining workflows and saving space. Its durability and robust construction make it suitable for on-site printing needs, and wireless connectivity enables printing from mobile devices, ensuring convenience and efficiency. The Epson Suracolor SCT5270 stands out as a powerful workhorse, perfect for high-performance environments. Its precision core printhead technology ensures precise and consistent prints, even on large scale projects. With high-capacity ink cartridges and fast print speeds, this printer guarantees efficiency and minimizes downtime. Additionally, its integrated color cutter produces clean and occur 8 cuts, elevating the professionalism of printed materials. For small architectural and engineering offices, the Brother MFC J6930DW offers a combination of printing, scanning, and copying functionalities. With wide format capability of up to 11 by 17 inches, it is ideal for producing plans and technical drawings. Its wireless connectivity, duplex printing, and automatic document feeder add convenience and productivity to daily tasks. The cost-effective NK system and affordable price make it an attractive option for professionals on a budget. Additional printers that are worth considering for architects and engineers include 6. HP DesignJet T730. The HP DesignJet T730 is a compact and efficient printer that offers high-quality printing for small to medium-sized architectural and engineering firms. With its 36-inch width, it can handle a variety of print sizes, making it versatile for different projects. The T730's wireless connectivity and mobile printing capabilities allow for easy sharing and collaboration, while its durable design ensures reliability in demanding work environments. 7. Canon ImageRunner Advanced C5540i. With its advanced color imaging technology, this printer produces vibrant and accurate prints with impressive clarity. Its intuitive touchscreen interface and customizable workflow options simplify